Hi dear learners, welcome to our English class. I am here to help you become a better speaker. Today we will talk about singular and plural nouns. Okay, but wait, what are nouns? Look around you. What do you see? Do you see a clock, a wall, a door, a bottle, or your parents, friends, siblings? Do you see a building near you? How do you know what to call a thing? By its name, right? Like, I know this is called a water bottle. But this name that we have given it is called a noun. My name is Naz is a noun. Your name is also a noun. Names of people, places, things are all nouns. Basically, you and I are surrounded by nouns. The device on which you are watching this, your phone, is also a noun. Now, nouns can be either be singular or plural nouns. If a particular noun is 1 in number, it's called a singular noun. If they are more than 1, like 2, 5, 100, or even a crore, it's called a plural noun. For example, dog is a singular noun, dogs is a plural noun. Bag is a singular noun, bags is a plural noun. Now the question is, how do you make a singular noun plural? Just remember a few simple rules. For any word that ends in a consonant, you simply add s to it. For example, cat, plural form is cats. But what if the word ends in s? Like bus. Would you say bus? No, here instead of add s, you can add es. So it becomes buses. Similarly, if a word ends in two ss, es, you can add es at the end. Like glass becomes glasses. And the same thing applies to words that end in sh, ch, x or z. So brush becomes brushes. Lunch becomes lunches. Tax becomes taxes. And buzz becomes buzzes. There are also words that end in f or fe, like wife. So how do we make it plural? Because wives sounds awkward to pronounce. So we change the f to v. So wife becomes wives. But this rule does not apply to some words. These words are chef, chief, roof and belief. We don't remove the f in these words. We just add an s at the end. Let's look at one more rule. What if the noun ends in y, like party? Simple, if the letter before the y is a consonant, like in this case, It's T, which is a consonant. We add IES to make it plural. So the plural form of party is parties. But if the letter before the Y is a vowel, like in the word ray, we simply add an S. So race. So ray becomes race. Remember, there will always be some exceptions to these rules. You will always find some words in English that don't follow the rules. For instance, the plural form of man is men and women is women and child is children. All of these words don't follow the rules. We talk about because they are irregular nouns. When you come across such words, don't worry. You will gradually know all the plural forms. That's it for this class. I hope this helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.